windy start to the day. We're going fishing, but first we have to get a little bit of conch so we can do some conch salad. Check this out. The Conch King of San Pedro. If there ever was a Belizean Aquaman, it's Tino. There goes the Conch King in training. We got a swell out here today, Dylan. We got a swell. Yep. You think they're gonna find some conch?
Guaranteed.
Guaranteed.
Yeah.
Look at that. Heavy weather conch snorkeling. Tino got the conch. Look at those swells coming across the reef. Whoa. Fresh conch. It's the color of the conch that makes it taste so good. What's your favorite conch recipe, Robbie?
I want to go with conch fritters. I love eating good, crispy, juicy conch fritters. Fried to perfection, not too gooey inside, but just perfect conch fritters.
Like Belizean conch fritters, or do you like Bahamian conch fritters?
Belizean conch fritters.
What took you so long, you know?
The ladder's on the other side.
You got all the conch. Amazing.
I like this. Where's my friend Kai?
Now that is a whole bunch of delicious Belizean conch. The Conch King of Belize. Did you eat the pistol?
I did.
I did.
I did too.
I did.
That's how you stay strong and young forever.
Did you?
I've eaten plenty.
No. Did you eat today?
I didn't eat any today.
All right, save one for save one for Charlie now. Yeah, he's got a big night ahead of him.
Then you have to take both those guys to find gold.
Medicine.
Nah,
It's the medicine.
you have to send those guys to get a gold.
I agree. Doesn't that look appetizing? Delicious. Oh, there it is. Check it out. That's the part that gives you the woody. delicious.
You didn't chew it.
You still swallow it whole.
No. Rookies swallow it whole. Men chew it.
Do you chew your Viagra too?
I chew everything. Picarlo, you guys have another knife?
Yeah, we do.
Don't throw it away.
Here you go.
We have to start doing.
Fine pieces? I got you.
Something to put with this. Then we have to.
What they got you doing, Charlie? They got me making conch over here.
Make sure you cut it thin, Charlie.
Oh, I'm gonna chop it up nice.
Thin to win.
It's like I'm back in the Bahamas. Is that better?
I think you need a bigger knife, Charlie.
I think you're right. I got a fillet knife here. That is a slippery conch.
Yeah, they're sleeping.
Know what they say about the young conch, right?
I think that's an inside Belizean joke. The secret to conch salad, conch fritters, fresh conch. And it doesn't get any fresher than that. We got the Conch King of Belize showing us the recipe for success. You excited about this, Ken?
Absolutely. I love it.
This is as good as it gets.
Good as it gets.
Beautiful today.
Good as it gets right there.
Hey,
You've been eating seafood your whole life. You're a native.
Yeah,
Could you imagine eating anything else?
man. No, because you know, with all the how they grow the chicken nowadays, with all the hormones and steroids injected into them,
It's terrible for you.
Yeah, it's better you eat fish.
Healthy,
Natural, straight
makes you
from-
strong.
Yep, straight from the seed to your plate. See this right here? Can't grow that nowhere. Only in Belize.
All right. We got some fresh limes. We got some tomato. Secret ingredient here, Belizean peppers. A little bit of cucumber. That's everything you need. That's really where it's at, the habaneros. Look at that fresh conch meat. There are not many places in the world with water as beautiful as this. That is one thing that sets Belize apart. Dramatic landscapes.
Making sure you're doing it correctly.
oh shit.
Oh no!
See?
Slippery carrot.
Sleepy carrot.
Got your finger off.
Yeah. You can cut your finger like that. We need a spoon.
Spoon. Fresh tomato.
There's no big snappers around here. I'm telling you this. The first thing, just small snappers over here.
Watch your fingers.
No snappers, but lots of ceviche.
That was ceviche.
Safety lines released. Safety lines
best.
released.
A little bit more up.
Belizean vegetables and fruits are the best.
I know it's out.
Once you get the preservatives off, it's really good.
Make I do it, Ken.
I'm working on
You're not doing real shot.
it. It only goes one distance. I have been relieved of my duties.
You can't squeeze limes for shit.
Can't. They
It's okay. I can't cut conch for shit either.
Pases pimiento tu
One
poquito
thing for
frente.
sure, no matter what you're doing here, is not going to meet Tino's standards.
That's
so
true.
It doesn't matter.
Dice, no muy pegado. Vas metiendo los que ven. Es que estas cosas, este exprimidor no sirve.
Oh yeah. Got the lime.
I'm just going to put it on half, and if it starts burning too much, we'll take it off. Alright? 4 pieces.
Spicy.
Oh, I forgot to
¿Dónde está el pepper, boy? La pimienta y la sal. Lots of pepper, Tino. Yum, yum, yum.
Perfect.
Try it, turn it.
Here we go.
I don't know if need more pepper, more.
That is proper Belizean Conch Ceviche, made by the Conch King himself, Tino Gonzalez. He does beach barbecue trips, ladies and gentlemen. Oh man, I think it's perfect.
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 If Charlie says perfect, it's perfect.
Spicy.
Make it get this.
It's perfect. Here you go.
Need more pepper or no?
No, no, no.
This.
Just right. Just right.
What do I get? Charlie wants.
Fresh from the sea, Ken. It's a shot of conch. Yeah? Nailed it.
We have to go to VIP today.
It's as good as it gets out here in Belize.
Don't get no better than that.
Conch ceviche on the ocean. You saw it here first. The best conch ceviche in the world. Belize, #1. Let's get some other opinions on this. This is my patented conch ceviche eating utensil. Oh yeah. Down the hatch. The combination of the vegetables with the lime juice, salt, pepper. The conch is tender, and as it sits in the lime juice, it's only going to get better. Unbelievable. What more do you ask for on a windy day in Belize? What are you doing up here?
I'm making coffee, a Nespresso coffee on my portable Nespresso coffee machine.
I don't see a coffee machine. Where is it?
The coffee machine is here.
And here is the conch.
And here is the conch. Let me finish my coffee first.
Oh no!
It doesn't go together.
Snooze, you lose.
One crema, look at that. Delicioso.
I can't believe it.
A Cuban coffee.
That's amazing. Look at this thing. Coffee and conch. What more do you need? Here comes the man.
Conch man.
Problem is, I know where that mouth has been.
It's the one. Tino, you're the man. Thank you. That is such a treat. You've been eating that your whole life and it's still delicious. Best in the world.
Whole life.
Doesn't get any better than that. Are you using your coffee cup to eat your ceviche?
My coffee cup to eat my ceviche and scoop half a habanero.
Good call.
Some juice. Yummy. Cheers.
Cheers. What do you think? World class?
Absolutely.
Doesn't get any better than that?
Tino makes the best conch in town.
He also does a heck of a lobster barbecue.
And it's Conch City here, so if Tino makes the best, it's really the best.
Well, I hope you enjoyed our brief ceviche interlude here. We're signing off for now. We got more great Belizean culinary content coming your way. If you like this kind of content, leave us a thumbs up. If you're feeling generous, subscribe. And we will see you on the next Belizean culinary adventure. Stay salty.